What up, YouTube? We back again. Say what's up, man. I'm recording. I told you I was recording. You're leaving this in here anyways. Alright, man. Well, we back again. Took a while, but here's another one for you guys. We're doing this. What is it? Buffalo style chicken strips. Well, we're not gonna mess with those. I just wanted to show you what we're doing today. These are the same ones in here. Barely came out of the oven. Now we're gonna pour some of this red hot, extra hot in there, and some of this ghost pepper sauce. We're gonna put quite a bit in there, and I guess is it gonna be a race or?
Maybe not.
I guess see if we can finish them all. Yeah. This supposed to be real spicy. I guess it won't be a race. I guess we'll see if we can finish all 6. There's 12 in the bowl. I guess we're gonna see if we can finish all 6 of them. 6 each. So, yeah, let's get to it, man. Alrighty, guys. Like I said, the strips are in the bowl right here. Are you gonna get plates for each of us?
Yeah.
We're finna put the sauce in them. We'll close it, mix it up.
Did you show them the sausage?
We'll show y'all, and then we'll get started. See what's up. We finna try to drench, so it ain't gonna be no dry spots on it or nothing. We're gonna try to soak them up.
Did you mix it?
Now is the
Shake it.
that ghost pepper.
Yeah. Nah, I've never tried this one. Ooh,
Smell it?
it's deep. That's good.
Huh?
That's good.
Can't hear you.
I said that's good.
Hold on. Alright, let's go. Oh, damn, that shit's strong. I'll probably add a little bit more. What?
No. There is no.
You gotta be a savage.
No.
Yeah, you gotta be a savage.
See that?
It's gonna be 6 pieces
Ooh.
each. What does that smell?
Smell it.
You wanna get the, or just what?
You got it. This?
Yeah. She's finna fuck around and give me all the big pieces. Watch. Damn, that's one. Hell nah.
Look, I got big ones.
That's a little. Let me see, I got 3. I'll take them 2 little bitty ones right there.
That's cheating. How many you got? 3, 4, 5. Wait, let me measure them. I think
Man, I'll take the last one. Oh. Alright. That's some bullshit. Yeah. What is this, tea?
Yeah.
Some cold tea, but I'm gonna try to finish them without the tea. Man.
Am I gonna do your makeup
No.
if I win?
Hell
Why?
No. Hell no.
Yes, I can.
Hell no.
Yes, I can. You don't tell me no.
Hell
Fork?
No, I'm good. Ready?
No. Wait and get a drink.
3, 2, 1.
No.
You already lost.
We
You lost.
already-
No, I said you take a drink.
Don't talk to me like that. Put your hand down.
All right, ready? 3.
Wait. Kinkies. These stink.
Yeah, so it's that ghost pepper.
Wait, let me see which one I'm gonna eat.
All right.
First. Okay.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit.
Oh, stuff my mouth.
Woo. Mm.
You wanted to put more?
I'm gonna need a drink.
Drink?
Tripping.
And you wanted to put my feet. My eyes are watering. I made it worse, huh? Thanks for letting me know. I was about to drink some, but never mind.
He needs to back up.
Yeah. Don't choke on the ice. You hear this, Ben?
Yes. Dang, it's hold hot.
Eyes. Look at my eyes. Babe, you're cheating.
How am I cheating?
You can't say. Why? I'm gonna take a towel. I'm gonna take a towel.
Want me to stop?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's gonna win, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the homies out there.
Me, I'm gonna win. Even if you finish them first, I still win. Duh. You want one? Hold on. You gotta give me 5 minutes here. They're hot.
Told you. That ghost pepper.
I want to drink. It's too much. I'm full.
So you forfeit?
No, did I say that?
You quit?
No.
Is that what you're telling me?
No.
Hell no.
Quit looking at me.
Man, bro.
You should have got an extra one because you lost the hot Cheetos.
Don't mean nothing.
Yes, it does.
I won the beer pong.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I was just talking about that.
Woo. Just wait. After this, that other video. Hell no.
There is touch your plate.
No, hell no. Hell no. Can't feel my lip, man. Are they still on there?
No. They left.
You should
They took off running.
You don't quit playing with the damn.
Quit looking at me. Quit crunching eyes.
It helps.
Don't crunch it. I'll trade you this one for that one. You said what's in the competition. So I don't know why you're rushing. If I would have finished first, then it would have been.
No.
Yes.
Let me tell you how it is real quick. If I win.
Now that you see that you're about to finish, you want to say if I win.
Hold on.
If you win, nothing.
If I win. You gotta say yes to for 24 hours.
No, I don't.
Bottom line.
No.
Bottom line.
No.
You better get to eating.
You want to get choked?
Come on.
You want to get choked?
Don't want to lose? Show me. Hold on.
You want to get choked? Oops. You're not done.
Can't do it.
I'm full. Want me to hit you?
You forfeit?
Did I say that?
You kind of want to. Well, guys. 6-9. I ain't trying to eat no more. that ghost pepper did the damn thing.
Since you finished first, you have to drink a shot of Hennessy.
Not gonna happen.
Yes? Why not?
I won for a reason.
You finished first, so
I
you get
won
a
for a
prize.
reason.
You're getting a prize. You gotta take.
No, my prize is to sit back and chill.
Your prize is to
And
take
watch
some
you take the
Hennessy.
shots.
Uh-uh.
Yeah? And you say yes for 24 hours.
I ain't saying yes to nothing.
Everything.
Nothing. Have you seen try it practice?
What?
Practice. Practice, I'm waiting. You have nothing. Can't
What?
even ask me questions.
That's tomorrow, yeah.
So?
I'm not gonna practice.
Practice.
No.
Practice.
You should use that energy to finish that damn strip. Quit bush. God damn! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Stupid.
You good?
Why did you make me spit?
That shit came through the nose, through the eyeballs, everything.
Why'd you make me spit? Try to hold it in. I should have spit it on you.
Damn.
Why would you say something while I'm drinking?
And they're gonna finish that one?
No.
Alright guys, well, that's it for this one. She stayed with one, but
Okay.
I don't blame her because that shit hot as fuck.
I'm gonna drink the shot so you won't say nothing.
Woo! Alright.
Put it down. Now my nose burns. It did come out through my nose. Wait, let me cool my mouth down first.
Little shot glass, you know what I'm saying? Woo! I don't blame him not finishing that last strip. Them hoes are hot.
You made the tea go through my nose.
It's hot? It's not hot?
Yes, but
Alright.
I'm full. I don't need
Cause
more.
I forced myself to finish the last one.
Yeah,
That
but
shit
I'm
hot.
full.
Why'd you spit it out?
Because you say stupid stuff. You play too much. I should have done that to you. Take a drink. Take a drink. Take a drink. Take it.
Yo,
Take it. Go where?
take a shot.
I gotta sneeze. The chew that went in my nose. Look.
That shit crazy.
I drink 2 shots and we finish that one. What are you doing?
Bring it over here.
For what?
So that's the last one. Finish sip this last shot right here. Go for it, bro.
Come here, Spider-Man. Come here, Spider-Man.
Mom, look.
Put his thing back on.
Look.
This is my little princess right here.
And little.
What up, Bubba?
So,
Little Spider-Man right here.
Spider-Man. Let me see how the Spider-Man do it.
How does Spider-Man do it, baby?
Junior, go like this, like I showed you.
Mm-mm. Do your hands like Spider-Man.
Like this.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Throw a web at Daddy.
It's 'cause the mom.
Throw a web at Daddy. Say psst.
Okay, go play.
Okay. Oh, Chichi. Oh, Chichi.
Ready to do the
You wanna
shot?
see it?
Yeah.
Go follow
In a
me.
minute, okay?
Chichi.
Okay.
Go to Bella to show you. Why do you put the camera all up in my face?
Because I can. I'm the winner. I can do stuff like that. You hear me?
You trying to get shows.
You feel me knocking? Let me in. All right, sure. Drink your shot. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, I'm still enchilada.
That Hennessy ain't gonna help either.
I know.
Let's go. Ooh, you felt that one go down. Yeah. You good?
It burns.
Better do. That's all you gonna drink?
Huh?
That's all you gonna drink?
Yep.
That's my tea. What?
You finished yours. Ugh.
What?
The tea and the Hennessy.
Oh no. Well, that was it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're doing that. But yeah, just stay tuned. I was finna say what's up, but just stay tuned. It's gonna be a funny video. Just know the Hennessy will be involved. Yeah, it is. What you mean, though? What you mean? All right, hold on.
Who you talking to like
Hold
that?
on. You're on camera.
I don't care. Your mom says I can do it whenever I want.
Okay.
Right? Your mom says
What?
I can beat you up whenever you want. Whenever you want. Whenever I want.
Man, she can get it too. All right, hold on. Okay. All right, guys. That was it. They were spicy as hell. Take me something over here tripping. Go. That's it. You know saying anything?
No.
See the Hennessy already got there. You see that? Oh,
No, it No, wait.
Okay. Okay.
Whooping your butt.
Alright, man, we finna shut it down. Back up.
I'm just watching.
Back up. Back up.
Just watching. Come back.
Stay over there. Well, that was it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Until the next one. Deuce.